Hi, and today we're going to make something like this. A cat-shaped ninja star. Okay, so what you're going to need for it is 3 of the flick footballs. So you can make the flick football by our previous video. It's called how to make an origami flick football. So here's how to interlock it into a cat-shaped ninja star. So first, lay these just like a triangle, and then turn them like a L. It should look something like this. And then take one of them, and then take this one. As you see, there's a little pocket over here. So you'll want to get this, and then just try to fit it into there. And then do the same for the other one. It might be a little hard at first. But then, when you're done, you've got something that looks like this. So, this is the end of the video. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Bye!